Nature's Magic, a conscious journey into healing and empowerment. A guided hypnosis session to connect with totem animals, healing plants, and sacred energy. This session is for anyone who feels a deep pull to reconnect with the wisdom of nature, to activate inner healing, empowerment, and the ancient memory of wholeness within. You are about to journey into mystical realms beyond the physical senses, to commune with the spirit of the earth, the animal kingdom, and the healing light of sacred places. You'll return reawakened, restored, and deeply guided. Make yourself comfortable. Place your hands and feet so they are not quite touching. And just begin to breathe deeply. Now gently roll your eyes upward as if you're looking into your own eyebrows. Fix your gaze on a real or imagined spot overhead. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. One more time, breathe in and breathing out. Letting go, your eyes still looking up. Now once more, and this time as you exhale, let your eyelids gently close all the way down. Take a moment to feel the soft release in your body. Feel a wave of calm beginning to wash over you. Let your eyelids feel heavy, droopy, and drowsy. This is the first beautiful sign that you are entering hypnosis perfectly, effortlessly, naturally. Imagine now you are standing at the top of 10 gentle steps leading down into the heart of a lush, ancient forest. With every number I count, you take one step down. With every step, you go deeper and deeper into peace and inner stillness. Then, stepping down into soft moss. 9. Deeper into the forest's calming embrace. 8. Feeling the temperature just right, the air fresh and clean. 7. Birdsong in the distance, your breath deep and slow. 6. Leaves rustle like whispers of ancient wisdom. 5. Halfway down, completely safe, relaxed, at ease. 4. Your body heavier, your mind lighter. 3. Entering a different state, a sacred trance. 2. Deeper, floating, drifting. 1. Arriving now into the heart of nature, deeply relaxed, deeply open. Take a moment to notice how your whole body feels. As you stand in this enchanted forest clearing, notice how alive everything feels. The colors more vivid, the sounds more harmonious. You are in a sacred dimension now, a place where all of nature speaks to your soul. Take a moment to let that feeling of magic and aliveness settle into you. In front of you, a soft shimmering light begins to form. From the light steps forth your totem animal, a guide, a protector, a part of you from the unseen world. What animal appears for you? Let it come naturally. Take a moment to connect with it, to feel its energy. Feel its presence, strong and wise. It offers you a message, a gift of strength, or guidance that you are ready to receive now. Receive that gift. Let it land in your body or heart. Now the totem animal gently leads you to a sacred plant, a unique healing herb that has chosen to walk with you. This plant knows your body, your heart, and your spirit. It speaks not in words, but in energy, transmitting exactly the medicine for you now. Clarity, vitality, emotional release, peace, or anything else you've been guided to now. Take a moment to sense that medicine, how it moves through you, how it feels. Let its healing essence flow through you as light, warmth, or color. You don't need to do anything, just receive. Your totem and the plant guide you onward to a sacred place. It may be a waterfall, a crystal cave, an ancient tree, or a glowing mountain. This place is alive. It has memory. It knows your true self. Take a moment now to feel the pull, the welcoming of this sacred space. As you sit or lie within it, feel its energy infuse your whole being. Every cell, every thought, every emotion, aligning you to your highest power and deepest truth. Let yourself truly feel that alignment, fully supported, fully safe. You feel it now. I am whole, I am connected, I am guided, I am nature's child, and nature is within me. I am healing, I am expanding, I am becoming. Say this to yourself. Let them echo through your heart and mind. I am whole, I am connected, I am guided, I am nature's child, and nature is within me. I am healing, I am expanding, I am becoming. Be it. Now the light begins to gently fade, but its essence is forever a part of you. Your totem animal and healing plant remain within your subconscious, guiding, protecting, nurturing. You are returning from this journey changed, clear, calm, deeply connected. Take a moment to give thanks to your guides, to the forest, and to yourself. On the count of 5 to 1, you'll return to full waking consciousness, bringing with you all the wisdom and energy of this journey. 5, slowly beginning to return. 4, bringing with you ancient love, empowerment, and peace. 3, feeling your fingers and toes. 2, taking a deep breath in. 1, eyes open, back in the room, feeling light, clear, whole, and grounded. You love listening to this recording. Every time you hear it, it deepens your connection to nature and your healing wisdom. If you listen at night, you may drift into a peaceful sleep, allowing all the insights and energy to settle deeply into your being.